Третий класс, английский язык, звездный английский, домашнее задание, мой любимый цвет, часть первая, страница 24, 25, 26, 27. English. Starlight 3, my favorite color, homework, page number 24, 25, 26, 27. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. I am afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly. It's wonderful. I am afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly. It's wonderful. It's terrible. Don't be silly. It's terrible. Don't be silly. I'm afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly. It's wonderful. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 24. 24. Lesson number 11. Exercise number 1. Listen and read the dialogue. Послушайте и прочтите диалог. What's this? It's an airplane, silly. No, it's a pen, look. And what's that? I know, it's a rubber. No, it's an apple, look. Oh no, this is a rubber, Earlier. Later. Look at Mona's pencils. They're so funny. Haha. Oh no, look at Harry's pencil case. Good morning. Good morning, Miss D. Harry, what's that? It's a pen, miss. It's a magic pen, miss. Look. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Read the dialogue again and choose A or B. Прочтите диалог еще раз и выберите A или B. It's an airplane. Harry. Elena. No, it's an apple. Harry. Elvin. It's a magic pen. Harry. Lee. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 26. 26. Lesson number 12. Exercise number 1. Listen, point and repeat. Послушайте, укажите и повторите. Color. Read. Be quiet. Listen. Write. Open your book. Stand up. Sing. Sit down. Let's play. Simon says, listen. The answer. Simon says, open your book. Simon says, stand up. Simon says, sing. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Sing and do. Пой и делай. A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. Read and sing. Sing along with me. A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. Listen and sing. Sing along with me. A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. Color and sing. Sing along with me. A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. Write and sing. Sing along with me. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 27. 27. Exercise number 3. Read the text and answer the questions. Read the text and answer the questions. Прочтите текст и ответьте на вопрос. What is Julia's favorite color? Look at my favorite things. This is my school bag. It's red. This is my red pencil case. This is my notebook. It's red too. Red is my favorite color. The answer. Red is Julia's favorite color. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Write about your favorite color. Draw your favorite things. Fun time. Напишите о своем любимом цвете. Нарисуйте свои любимые вещи. The answer. Look at my favorite things. This is my ruler. It's orange. This is my orange school bag. This is my chair. It's orange too. Orange is my favorite color. Fun time. Unscramble the letters to find the verbs. Then use the numbered letters to find the title of the story. Расшифруйте буквы, чтобы найти глаголы. Затем используйте пронумерованные буквы, чтобы узнать название истории. The answer. Color. Sit. Stand. Write. Listen. The title of the story is Cinderella. Did you know? The following sentences uses every letter of the English alphabet. Read and check it out. В следующем предложении используются все буквы английского алфавита. Прочтите и проверьте. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.